it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Check. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Nigy boy again. With Karma. Nigy boy, Karma. Let's jump in the one and here with the G officer, man. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Let's get it.
Nigy, how have you been since our last meeting?
Honestly, I want to stop. I can't stop. But I should stop. How do I stop cheating and stay faithful?
All right,
No. We never expect that one, though. We never expect that. I thought he was talking about something totally different. We never expect Nigy boy to say he want to stop cheating or him stop. Nigy boy, you have to tap a fuckery, you know, dog. You can see a fuckery I do, you know. Get it? See? Fuckery, my dog. Alright, left.
Nigy, how have you been since our last meeting?
Remarks, read one.
Honestly, I want
Look at
to
the
stop.
production team.
I can't stop. But I should stop. How do I stop cheating and stay faithful?
All right, we're going to continue with our talk about accountability for this week. You know, what you sow is what you reap. Let's get you relaxed, and we're going to start with some breathing exercises.
Accountability.
So just breathe in for me and out. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out.
Boss, I got dream, man. You know.
So just relax your mind. Think about all the things that you enjoy.
Boss, a dream, man. Yeah, man. I know, probably see it, but no. Yeah. Boom.
Yo, Sage. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, why you do to me? Why you do to me, woman? Why you do to me? Got me doing things I never do. Pure tomfoolery. Why you do to me, there? Nigy boy again, the girls I'm guy again. Oh, listen. Usually stay to myself. Attachments got to hell, being alone, will forever. But you put me under spell, frozen heart start to melt, hence my change in behavior. Go! If girl me make Bex, them a call and a text, I say how much me treat them like strangers. Here I am blowing up your phone, trying to get your attention. They say karma is a beach, I know what goes around us, come back around. Well, I guess
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Video personal, big up on yourself. Video clean like Jesus police record. Video clean like a done spitting book in a high school. Alright. Ah boy. This is an international song.
Nigy,
International
how have you
beat.
been since our
International
last meeting?
flavor.
Honestly,
We got the moms in that video
Come on,
too.
stop.
Them look good.
I can't stop.
How
But
do I
should
stop?
How do I stop cheating and stay faithful?
All right, we're going to continue with our talk about accountability for this week. You know, what you sow is what you reap.
Now go try enough to pull up again.
Get you relax.
I
and
got
we're
try.
gonna start with some breathing exercises. So just breathe in for me and out.
Dr. Love, big up yourself
Let's
once
do it
more,
again.
my fam.
1, 2,
Nigy boy
3,
manager. Nigy, big up yourself
4.
too.
Let it out. Right. So just relax your mind. Think about all the things that you enjoy. Relax.
Yo, Sage. Oh, yeah. Oh, why you do to me? Why you do to me, woman? Why you do to me? Got me doing things I never do. Pure tomfoolery. Why you do to me, there? Nigy boy again, the girls I'm guy again. Oh, listen. Usually stay to myself. Attachments got to hell, being alone, will forever. But you put me under spell, frozen heart start to melt, hence my change in behavior. Go! If girl me met Bex, them a call and a text. I say how much me treat them like strangers. Here I am blowing up your phone, trying to get your attention.
It always happen like that, you know. It always happen like that. The one person will lock you down is the person you least expect to lock you down. The person with him a chase, basically him a blow up for your phone, but there's other people out there chase him. That's what the G are saying now.
Go! If girl me met Bex, them a call and a text. I say how much me treat them like strangers. Here I am blowing up your phone, trying to get your attention. They say karma is a beach. I know what goes around must come back around. Well, I guess I'm karma, baby, cause I can't leave you alone. It's like your flip a switch. Girls like you are always hard to be found.
Flight. I wish you go. Flight. Where mama go? Oh, Miami, Valentine's Day. Yeah. Valentine's Day. Mama go Miami.
Because I can't leave you alone. It's like your flip a switch. Girls like you are always hard to be found. Positive, you're my karma. I try, but I can't leave you alone. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I try, but I can't do. Girl, you got me stuck on you. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I try, but I can't do.
I really get them man this. Really get them man. Lift the title man.
Stuck like a CD where scratch up can't play. Every single interaction with your memory heart race. Look at me head, you so what up can't tame. No, me I pay the penalty like any ball game.
Don't tell me say Nigy boy I go take with that G woman and him can't see. Don't tell me that.
Me head, you so what up can't tame. No, me I pay the penalty like any ball game. To be honest, I'm not a fan of heartbreak. Never did a pre-marriage, but want give you my last name. Come see a few.
Boss a pre-marriage?
Can't tame.
Never did a pre-marriage, but I want to give my last name.
No, me I pay the penalty like any ball game. To be honest, I'm not a fan of heartbreak. Never did a pre-marriage, but want give you my last name.
Boss no want to heartbreak. The boss want married. The boss said, to be honest, me never did a pre-marriage, but guess what? I want to deal with it. I want to give my last name. I'm not a fan of heartbreak. What?
Scratch up can't play. Every single interaction with your memory heart race. Look at me head, you so what up can't tame. No, me I pay the penalty like any ball game.
Ball game.
To be honest, I'm not a fan of heartbreak. Never did a pre-marriage, but want give you my last name. Come see a future with you forever always. Think it would be a sin if we forever part ways. Oh, how the tables have turned. Remember when?
What are the same girl this? So am I sing to now? So who the shit that
last name. Come see a future with you forever always. Think it would be a sin if we forever part ways. Oh, how the tables have turned. Remember when me used to say I'd never fall. Now me can't go one day without hearing you say my name. They say karma is a beach. I know what goes around must come back around. Well, I guess you're karma.
Yeah. I wish girl like the Nigy. Ladies, I wish one I know make the G sing them song. Which one I know? Who?
Goes around must come back around. Well, I guess you're karma, baby, cause I can't leave you alone. It's like your flip a switch. Girls like you are always hard to be found. Positive, you're my karma. I try, but I can't leave you alone. Even when I want to, I can't.
Boss like having glasses like you can see eye.
You I try, but I can't do. Girl, you got me stuck on you. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I try, but I can't do. Girl, you got me stuck on you. Yeah. Can't believe you know. You want a sacrifice we got through for you.
Nigy.
Blood, sweat, and tears. You know the other things we do for you, mama.
Nigy.
She lick him chip. The boss dream lick him chip.
Nigy.
Nigy.
You know the other things we do for you, mama.
Nigy.
You know one of the things that we do for you. Why? Woman, lick your chip, Nigy. Don't worry yourself, boy. Get up, I dream, I dream. Get up. Wake up, bro. I dream, fam.
The amount of sacrifice we got through for you.
Nigy.
It was all a dream. Oh, me just see the sign. See the sign that say it was all a dream. Me just see it.
The amount of sacrifice we got through for you.
Nigy.
Blood, sweat, and tears. You know the amount of things we do for you, mama.
Nigy.
Eh?
You okay?
I'm a good man.
You're not good.
All right. So, as I said before, we'll start with accountability.
Right. Give me a bottle of water there, please.
Water. Sure. There you go.
Nigy chip get licked. Karma, yeah, my boy. Yo, good acting, Nigy boy. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Really proud of Nigy boy. Can I just say also, not just Nigy boy I'm proud of, I'm really proud of Dr. Love. Before we used to see Dr. Love on the media, I cover so much mix-up topic and in a mix-up and name I call this one, I call name this one. You know the whole bag of whole history with Dr. Love. But since he became Nigy boy manager, I haven't seen none of that. So kudos to you, bro. You've grown, you've taken a professional approach to Nigy boy career and you are dealing with it how it's supposed to be dealt with. So big up yourself, Dr. Love. Big up yourself, bro. I have to give you props, bro. You see me? Nigy boy, though. What can I say about this guy? He's so talented. We just see him acting skills. We just see the girl lick him chip in a video. In a dream, one girl lick him chip. Mama, in the video, big up yourself to you. You're very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. The video clean. What can I say about the video? The video is clean. Big up the production team. Big up the personals who come up with this idea of this video. Yeah, big up on yourself. You see me? Whoa. I try to look if you can see the person who actually shot the video. I not see it. But yeah, big up on yourself though. Big up on yourself. Can't stop Nigy boy for 2024. Nigy boy hear this. Anybody not like it? Drop asleep and don't see Nigy boy. Cause Nigy boy now see literally not see Alright, so if you don't want to see some more Nigy boy, click on any one of them two video. Any one of them two video where you see. And then you get some more Nigy boy reaction. And I'll catch you in the next one. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.